everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I am revealing one of the cute stamp sets from the box of the month. Are you guys ready? It is called Pugs and Kisses. So here it is. How adorable are those pups? So it comes with 4 sentiments. The first one reads, "You and me, Pugs and Kisses, thinking of you, and have a nice day." You have these 2 pugs here. The girl pug looks a little iffy about him and he's in a mug. So it's a cute card, not just for Valentine's. It can also be a friendship card, just like what Jamie said. And I did go ahead and make my card, so I'll be sharing that with you. I made 2 cards. First, I'm going to show you what I brought in to create the cards. I brought in some of my favorite dies for Mama Elephant. This one is the combo rectangle die, and I used the largest rectangles. I also used the Mod Heart, but I used this wonky stitch die here, and then I used the hearts of flutter, and then I used one of the circles. This one Jamie revealed yesterday. This one is called Lattes of Love. I'm going to just go ahead and flip. I'm just going to go ahead and flip through it quickly so you can get an idea of what the pattern papers look like, just in case you missed it. So you can never have too many hearts in a Valentine card. I absolutely love hearts, and I think that's no. Let's keep going. Love all the hearts in this collection. There's glitter, and I think that's it. It starts all over again. So you get 12 designs. I also brought in enamel dots from Jamie's shop. In particular, I used the white one. I've been obsessed with these lately. And then I did go ahead and color my images with my Copic markers, and here are the colors I used. So let me put this on the side so I can share my card. So the first card is this one right here. Here is the scallop rectangle, and the cardstock is called Pacific Point and Real Red by Stampin' Up. I chose one of the pattern papers from the paper pad, colored my images with the Copic markers, stamped this with Pacific Point, decorated it with the sparkly enamel dots, and I also used my Posca pen to add some highlights to my card. This is the Posca pen. So I really love how this turned out. And then the second card is this one right here. So I used the heart dies, and then this looks like a heart explosion, doesn't it, you guys? But like I said, you can never have too many hearts in a Valentine card. So hearts, the die cut of hearts, and then another background of hearts with the wonky stitch die all around. And then I chose a red cardstock, Real Red by Stampin' Up. Colored my images with the Copic markers. I chose the 2 sentiments because remember, like I said earlier, she looked kind of iffy about him, and it says "You plus me, Pugs and Kisses." Then I added the white enamel dots again. I just, I never thought I would like white enamel dots on a card because I always thought like it would get lost, but I honestly love the look of it. And then I just tied in the balloon behind them. I just thought it would make a nice compliment to the 2 pups. And that completes my card share. So I hope you enjoyed this reveal. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of the stamp set. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!